Coming here as a Rangatahi collective as Iri of Ngāti Maniapoto has been really cool. The fact that the trust allows us as Rangatahi to have a say in the future of our iwi is really awesome. Last night was really cool in terms of what Papa Tom shared with us, just to kind of give us a bit of context in terms of where our iwi has been in the past.
Well, there are a few things that I will value that I'll be taking away from this weekend. The first one is that Rangatahi have a real opportunity to determine what the PSGE should look like for Maniapoto. And I suppose relative to that is that Rangatahi actually have the capability and are willing to participate in the process to ensure that the integrity of the settlement is maintained, our priorities are protected, and our aspirations and outcomes are met.
I think the most valuable component is the inclusion of the thoughts of our younger ones. So a lot of our younger ones start to feel that our older ones, in some way, they do know a lot, they don't know everything, especially with the modernisation of information, how it's being transmitted across the motu. There's a way of being able to attract our whānau back to the importance of all these hui that are being held, and in doing so they include themselves, they give the ideas, and therefore we have a pick of a whole lot of different ideas, and we can get the best of all the worlds and hopefully satisfy everybody at the same time.
The most valuable thing that I got out of this weekend, this wānanga for Maniapoto Rangatahi, was essentially Rangatahi coming together and sharing space with trust board members, with our negotiator, having Minister Nanga Mahu to come in and just showing that level of communication between our leaders and those who are advocating for our tino wāwata, for our people, and wanting to engage with our younger Rangatahi voice. And I think it's a perfect space to here at the University of Waikato at Te Kohinga Marae.